Assalamualaikum everyone. This video is for Senior 3 Grammar and the topic is tenses. Past simple tense. The past simple tense is a verb tense that is used to talk about things that happened or existed before now. Imagine someone asks what your brother Wolfgang did while he was in town last weekend. For example, number 1. Wolfgang entered a hula hoop contest. Number 2. He won the silver medal. The simple past tense shows that you are talking about something that has already happened, unlike the past continuous tense, which is used to talk about past events that happened over a period of time. The simple past tense emphasizes that the action is finished. For example, Wolfgang admired the way the light glinted off his silver medal. In past simple tense, you either put t at the end of regular verbs and ed at the end of irregular verbs. Some verbs remain the same as root form. Or, when you use did, you use first form of verb. For example, the baby smiled adorably. The word smile is actually a regular verb and smiled is the past tense of it. Number 2. The birds chirped loudly when they were given seeds to eat. Chirp is an irregular verb and chirped is the past tense of it. I read the whole book last night. In this, the root form is read and the second form is read, but the spellings are same. Number 4. I did punch his face. In this sentence, we are using first form of verb with did. Past perfect tense. The past perfect, also called the pluperfect, is a verb tense used to talk about actions that were completed before some point in the past. The formula for the past perfect is had plus past participle. It doesn't matter if the subject is singular or plural, the formula doesn't change. The past perfect tense is used to show that something happened before another action in the past. It can also be used to show that something happened before a specific time in the past. Examples: she had met him before the party. The plane had left by the time I got to the airport. I had written the email before he apologized. Kate had wanted to see that movie, but she did not have money for the ticket. She stayed up all night because she had received bad news. They lost many of the games because they had not practiced enough. Past continuous tense. The past continuous tense, also known as the past progressive tense, refers to a continuing action or state that was happening at some point in the past. The past continuous tense is formed by combining the past tense of to be, that is, was or verb, with the verb's present participle, which is ing. For example, the sun was shining every day that summer. Number 2. As I spoke, the children were laughing at my cleverness. Past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous, also called past perfect progressive, is a verb tense which is used to show that an action started in the past and continued up to another point in the past. The past perfect continuous is formed using had plus been plus present participle. Questions are indicated by inverting the subject and had. Negatives are made with not. For example, statement: you had been waiting there for more than 2 hours when she finally arrived. Question: had you been waiting there for more than 2 hours when she finally arrived? Negative: you had not been waiting there for more than 2 hours when she finally arrived.